He is seeking treatment through the VA hospital. And at this time, we were also seeking entry into the Veterans Treatment Court program.
Court is calling 2025 CR 002-556. State versus Malik Hatch. Can I have parties announced?
Christine Dolphin Hernandez for the defense.
And then we do have a victim impact this case.
All right.
Thank you.
And are you Mr. Hatch?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hatch, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hatch, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it
Yes, ma'am.
and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
absolutely, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Absolutely.
Mr. Hatch, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Absolutely.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,000 fine. If the court finds that a weapon was involved, then the court will enter in an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. The state recommends deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2024 CC 737673. There's to be restitution of $1,407.24 to the complainant in 2024 CC 737673. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Your Honor.
Any pretrial motions that have been heard and ruled upon?
No, Your Honor. Sorry.
No problem. Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that? Those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes, ma'am. I have a question.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states exhibit 9 all attachment.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Hatch, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Since Mr. Hatch has been out on bond, Your Honor, he has taken full responsibility of his own actions. He is seeking treatment through the VA hospital. And at this time, we were also seeking entry into the Veterans Treatment Court program. He has been evaluated, as you know, Your Honor, and preliminarily accepted into that program. He is looking forward to earning his second chance, Your Honor. He understands that his actions were uncalled for on that day, but that he has some health issues that he's been addressing to make sure that nothing like that happens again.
All right, State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainants?
Yes, Your Honor, they're in, different state.
Okay. All right, I tell people this all the time. Accidents are just accidents. That's why people have insurance. It shouldn't get to the point where people are fighting after an accident occurred.
Yes, ma'am.
It's everybody gets out of the vehicle, everybody exchanges insurance information and, their driver's license.
Yes, ma'am.
And everything is not an accident where people are in the middle of the road impeding traffic. You're not going to get millions of dollars, but when people are involved in accidents, you can't get angry at other people. It's just not done.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And I understand that you were in the military,
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
and what branch?
Army.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. Are you currently employed or no?
Army.
Is that due to health issues?
It's due to him seeking treatment and having an aggressive treatment schedule, but also this case has kind of held him back. He's also in school right now, Your Honor, and will be finishing his business, his management program at the end of the year,
January.
January. Yes.
Okay.
I know that the complainant is present and would like to say some words today, Your Honor, and I don't want to overstep. The aggression was definitely on both sides that day. Mr. Hatch felt threatened and he felt triggered. Not saying he was rational, but he felt triggered by some words that were used that were racially motivated, and he should have reacted differently, but the complainant is not completely innocent in this.
All right, there's $1,000 fine. It'll be probated. You to provide proof of employment or full-time enrollment in school within 45 days.
Yes,
There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. This will run concurrent with 2024 CC 737673. There's to be restitution in 2024 CC 737673. And is that case being taken in consideration or no?
No, Your Honor, they are to, or yes.
All right, so I know they're going to ask for restitution there. There will not be double restitution, but the total amount of restitution will be $1,407.24. So if he pays it in misdemeanor court, then
It'll count for.
Bashan is like, no. So how should we do this, Miss Abram?
Either on this or on that one. It needs to be on either one.
We would prefer to be on this one.
All right, so then there will be no restitution entered under cause number 2024 CC 737673. However, there is to be restitution in the amount of $1,407.24 to Michelle Morales. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Michael Oliver and Michelle Morales. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution, 6 years deferred adjudication, and referral to Veterans Treatment Court. And it's the court's understanding that he has been accepted in Veterans Treatment Court. Is there anything else that you need to be successful? Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, I can't mention no visits.
Field visits, 1 time per month for 6 months. And of course, probation, once he's transferred to Veterans Treatment Court will set your conditions for you. So for example, I'm telling you that you need to be employed or full-time enrollment in school within 45 days. Veterans Treatment Court will evaluate you. And if Veteran Treatment Court does not think that's appropriate, then they will change that.
Yes, sir.
So the field visits, 1 time per month for 6 months, that's what I'm ordering. But once your probation is transferred to Veterans Treatment Court will handle all of your conditions. The only time you'll come back to this court is if they are saying that you're no longer appropriate for the program and they are asking that you be removed from the program, and they'll do that in the form of a motion to revoke. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. I cannot stress to you how this could have turned out to be so differently. I don't know why people don't have patience anymore. I don't know why people speak to each other in such a negative way.
Yes, sir.
When accidents happen, they're called accidents for a reason, and that's why people have insurance.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, my understanding, there's a victim impact.
Yes, sir.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.